The Google Maps button is located at the bottom left corner of your screen and allows you to toggle between NavigateLA and Google Maps. When pressed, NavigateLA's map buttons and panes are replaced with Google Maps. You can then activate Google Street View feature, which provides panoramic views from positions along a given street by drag and dropping the Pegman icon onto any of the blue highlighted routes on the map. This opens the Street View window, where you can virtually explore a street by hovering your cursor in the direction you want to go. Your cursor becomes an arrow and shows the direction you're moving. Click each time you want to move forward, or use the highlighted blue arrows. To see where you might go next, look for an X and click once to travel to it. To look around the map, click and drag your mouse. You can also use the arrows to the left and right of the compass, or those on your keyboard. To zoom in or out, scroll with your mouse click wheel, or use the plus and minus symbols below the compass. To reposition your Street View north, click once on the center of the compass. To jump between streets, drag the Pegman to your desired street, and the Street View map will automatically update. At any time, you can toggle back to NavigateLA by pressing the NavigateLA button. The Google Street View window will remain, but will now be synchronized with the NavigateLA map. A synchronized cyan-colored viewer will point in the direction that Google Street View is focused on. You may continue querying NavigateLA map features as before, but now with Google Street View as an added reference. For instance, in this example, we see several sewer maintenance holes in the Google Street View window. If we need to obtain information about them, we could toggle on the Sewers Information Group layer by searching the word sewer in the Filter Layers box. Lastly, the Google Street View window is dockable, so you can move it to any location on your screen or expand it by clicking on the Toggle Full Screen View button on the top right. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen, eng.navsupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.